Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Nourished Muslimah. My name is Halima. I am so happy that you are here today with me, and today I'm going to show you how to make yogurt, fresh yogurt. So to make yogurt you need two things basically. You will need some whole milk. It has to say whole milk. Don't go for any 1%. 2% will be okay, but not 1%. 1% doesn't have any fat in it, and the less percentage of what the milk is and the less fat. So we don't want to use that. We want to use full fat milk. So I would pour some milk in a clean pot. So I'm using half gallon of milk, and I turn on the heat to medium low. Put it to boil. So make sure that you check on it, and when it starts to boil, you turn off the heat and you let it sit to warm down a little bit. You want the milk to warm down to a lukewarm feel. You should be able to put your finger in it and it doesn't burn. So that is when you know that you can add your yogurt. To add my yogurt, I'm gonna use plain Greek yogurt. This is what I am using, non-fat Greek yogurt, but I would highly recommend if you can get full fat Greek yogurt. That is excellent, because if you are making this with the intention of you giving it to your kids, especially from 6 months to toddler age, you need to make sure it is full fat. Don't give your children less fat milk. So that's what we are going for if we are making it at home. For you to be able to make yogurt, your starter, that is your yogurt that you are mixing into the milk to become yogurt, has to say in the ingredient active cultures. If you see the active cultures, that is the living bacteria that are healthy for our gut. As we know, a lot of studies show that when something is good for your gut, it means it's really helpful in preventing a lot of diseases. So taking care of our gut is very important. You go ahead and add about 1/4 cup to half a cup of yogurt to the lukewarm milk, and you mix it all together. Put it in the oven and let it sit in the oven for at least 8 hours. So I turn on the light in the oven. However, I'm not gonna turn on the heat of the oven. I just need the light to make sure that it is not dark, and because the bacteria are living things, they need some light, they need some air, they need some moisture to be able to survive. Another option is to cover it with a kitchen towel and leave it on your kitchen counter overnight. So after at least 8 hours, this is what you would get. You see that there is a little bit of water. You see the water on top of it. That is what we call the whey. That you separate it from the yogurt. Next, put the yogurt in the refrigerator, because probiotic is nothing but bacteria that are helpful to our digestive system. They are helpful for our gut health. Our digestive system needs those bacteria to be able to digest a lot of food, and yogurt is one of the best food. Look at that. You put this in an airtight container and you put it in the refrigerator, and you are good to go. You can use it for snack to make
some snacks. Use it to marinate some chicken, to make chicken kebabs. You can use it for breakfast, to make a whole lot of things. You can use it for making smoothie.